Lingonberries, Vaccinium vitis ididea, are hardy, evergreen shrubs that produce vibrant red berries and thrive in colder climates. If you're interested in cultivating these delicious and nutritious berries, here's a comprehensive guide to lingonberry plant care and growing. Plant overview. Lingonberries are small, low-growing shrubs native to northern regions. They feature glossy, dark green leaves and produce clusters of bright red berries that are known for their tart flavor. Selecting a planting site. Choose a location with well-draining, acidic soil. Lingonberries prefer full sun to partial shade, and they are especially well-suited for colder climates. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil by incorporating organic matter and ensuring proper drainage. Adjust soil acidity, if needed, to create the slightly acidic conditions that lingonberries prefer. Planting lingonberries. Plant lingonberries in the spring or early fall. Space the plants about 12 to 18 inches apart. Dig holes slightly larger than the root balls and plant them at the same depth. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the growing season and when the plants are establishing themselves. Avoid waterlogging the soil. Mulching. Apply a layer of acidic mulch, such as pine needles or wood chips, around the base of the plant. This helps retain moisture, regulate temperature, and maintain soil acidity. Fertilization. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer formulated for acid-loving plants. Apply the fertilizer in the spring as new growth begins. Pruning and training. Prune lingonberries to remove dead or diseased branches and to maintain their compact growth habit. You can also lightly trim after the harvest to encourage new growth. Pollination and berries. Lingonberries are self-pollinating, so you only need one plant to produce berries. The berries develop in late summer to fall and are typically harvested when they turn bright red. Pest and disease management. Lingonberries are generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, watch for common garden pests and inspect the plants regularly for any issues. Winter care. Lingonberries are cold hardy, making them ideal for cooler climates. Mulch around the base of the plants in the fall to protect the roots during winter. Culinary uses. Lingonberries are commonly used for making jams, sauces, and desserts. Harvest the berries when they are fully ripe for the best flavor. Companion planting. Plant lingonberries alongside other acid-loving plants, like blueberries and rhododendrons, to create a harmonious garden ecosystem. Enjoying the harvest. Savor the satisfaction of harvesting and using your homegrown lingonberries in a variety of culinary creations. By following these guidelines, you can successfully grow and care for lingonberries, enjoying their tart and flavorful berries while enhancing your garden with their ornamental foliage.